Climate change, human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, have led to an increase in greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere, resulting in global warming and climate change. Imagine a world where summers scorch, winters freeze, and storms rage with fury. That's climate change, our reality. Fueled by human activities, primarily burning fossil fuels and deforestation, we've accelerated global warming. Each time we burn coal, oil, or gas, we release greenhouse gases, trapping heat in our atmosphere. This increases global temperatures, creating a hostile, unpredictable climate. Forests, our natural air filters, are disappearing at an alarming rate. We're losing our greatest allies in combating this crisis. Climate change isn't just a prediction, it's happening now. We must act to restore balance, for our planet, for our future.